Hello and welcome to 12 animal sign forecast for the year of 2023. This video is for the animal sign of snake and how it will fare in the year of the rabbit. Okay, the snake animal sign has quite a few auspicious stars and a couple of inauspicious stars in 2023. So, if we haven't met before, hello, I am Jayashree Bose, Chinese metaphysics consultant, author and teacher, and I've been in this field since 2001. I practice Feng Shui, Bazi, Qigong, Zeri, and I Ching. So that's all about me. Let's continue on with the snake animal sign. So the auspicious stars that the snake animal sign this year has is the year horse, the yang noble, the heavenly E, and the sky gracious star. So basically the year horse means it's a traveling star and it gives you the opportunity to expand your business overseas. Now if you are doing a job, then maybe you could get an overseas project or be transferred somewhere else. Could be overseas or it could be a different city. Okay, but it basically indicates traveling for work. Now yang nobleman indicates helpful people, but mostly male helpers. Ability to turn any adverse situation into a favorable one. It also indicates that you will get assistance from the right people at the right time. You will receive fruitful and advantageous opportunities. And like I said, because it's yang noble, it basically means male helpers, yeah, mostly male helpers. Now, heavenly E also is similar to yang nobleman. It indicates helpful people who will come and help you at the right time, at the right moment. Okay, now remember one thing. Nobleman does not mean it's a person who likes you. Neither do you have to like your nobleman. Nobleman also doesn't mean the person is your friend. Okay, it could just be any person. It could be an advisor. It could be somebody who just passes a comment or a remark. Okay, or maybe it's your enemy who while you're having a fight with them, they say something, but it works in your favor. Okay, it hits you. You implement whatever they've said, and it works in your favor. So nobleman basically indicates those kind of people. Now sky gracious basically means you will meet someone who will increase your likability quotient. You become likable. Okay, it also helps in exams and studies. Of course, you have to be proactive. You have to study to score the good marks, but this is a star which helps you to get the good grades. Okay, it also helps in academic pursuits, and at the same time it increases your likability quotient. Now if you have sky gracious stars and all these nobleman people and the traveling star and all, what should you do? Expand. Yeah, if you're doing your own business, then expand your business. If you are doing a job, then this could be a year when you could look for side gigs, especially those which involve overseas work, because you have the helpful people, your likability quotient is high. Okay, ability to expand your business or grow, step up in your career ladder is there, so make the most of it. So let's look at the inauspicious stars. The inauspicious stars the snake animal sign has this year are the funeral door, the solitary star, flying chaste, earth funeral, and great Shah. Funeral door basically indicates that you might have to go and attend some funerals. Some near and dear ones could pass away, friends could pass away, okay, or could be far off relatives also. So if you are aware of anybody who is ill, has been ill for a long time, or suffering from health ailments, then do visit them. It is also a reminder for us to check up on our health. Okay, maybe get a health checkup done because our own chi or energy is a little low this year. Solitary star means that you will like to do things on your own. Okay, everything is on your own. You would like to be on your own as far as your work is concerned. You would like to go for a movie on your own, and probably you will want to go for coffee on your own. Now, if you are married or in a committed relationship, or if you live in a family, that could be a problem because people will want to go out with you. You are not interested in going out. Isn't that a problem? Okay, so you need to make an effort to step out. All right. Now, flying chase basically means petty people issues. Yeah, you are stressed out because you think people are judging you. All right. Now, this is not something you need to be stressed out about. Why? When do people judge others? Just think about it. When do people judge others? People judge others when they are envious of them, right? Okay. So why are you stressing out? basically you are climbing up in life. Okay, and that's the reason people are judging you. Oh, he should not be doing this. Oh, she should not be doing this. Okay, they are judging you because you are climbing up in life. So stop stressing out about them. Yeah, just put cotton in your ears and don't listen to them at all. All right. Now, earth funeral again indicates there's problems at home. Okay, it could be domestic arguments. Basically, you bring all your problems back home and then you get into a fight with the people you live with. Yeah. Could be your extended family, could be your spouse, could be your children. So what do you need to do? Okay, whatever problems you're facing at work, in your career, in your business, at work, your business network, business circle, do not bring them home. Okay, solve the problems outside home, come back home after that. Okay, even if you come back home with your problems, don't try to discuss with your family members. Okay, the more you discuss, the more arguments you'll have, because they'll have a different opinion, you'll have a different opinion, and you both won't see eye to eye, and that's when the problem will happen. Okay, now great Shah basically indicates loss of wealth. Loss of wealth because you made some risky investments, or loss of wealth because you went gambling. Okay, so no heading to casinos this year, and neither are you making any risky investments. Remember, you have the Yang Nobleman star. Yeah, you have the heavenly E, the Yang Nobleman star. So hire advisors, financial advisors who can advise you regarding your investments. Okay, so don't go yet. It hasn't finished, because we are going to go deeper into your Badza chart. Now, if you don't have your Badza chart, then look in your screen right now, and this is the link, tiandiruanacademy.com/Badza-calculator-app. Go to the link. Okay, download your Badza chart. You'll have to sign up for a free account. You can download as many Badza charts as you want. Download your Badza chart, pause this video, and come back again. So, welcome back. Now, look into your Badza chart. Where is the snake animal sign? Okay, where is the snake animal sign? Is it in the year? Okay, now if it's in the year basically represents your industry, people in your industry, your business network, your social network, your friends, your far off extended family, okay, and your market. All right. So if the snake is here, basically with the traveling star, the Yang Noble, the heavenly E, and the sky gracious, this is a year to expand. Okay, or maybe if you're working in a job, this is a year to start off a side gig. All right. Now, if you are doing your own business, then expand. If you are a local business, become regional. If you're a regional business, go national. If you are a national business, then go international. If you already cover your own continent, then go to another continent. All right. So basically the idea is expand. Whatever you have, expand, grow. Okay. The idea is to grow. So expand your market. Obviously, I don't need to tell you that you need to be visible in social media, because you can help a lot of people. You see, nobleman works both ways. Either one nobleman appears for you, or you are the nobleman for someone else. All right. So you can go help someone. Now, people over here will also be facing issues with great Shah, earth funeral, then your funeral door, flying chest. Okay, so since they are facing, and the solitary stars, so since these people are facing those issues, maybe you can ask them, how can I help you? How can I help you overcome these problems? All right, so that's how you utilize the snake if it's in the year. Now, if the snake is in the month, then obviously I don't have to repeat myself again. Yeah, expand. Your entire focus should be in expansion. Okay, you have done whatever you've done, and now expand. Okay, even if it's like if you're a local business and you're just going to another city, that is also expansion. Okay, if your business reaches another city, that is also expansion. So this year, concentrate on expanding your market. All right. Now, your seniors, your boss, if you're in a job, your seniors, your boss, they might have had an offer for an overseas project. Okay, or your firm has gotten an offer overseas project. You can tell them that I'm ready to work in that project. Okay, even if it requires a little bit of traveling, because remember, your horse represents your traveling star. So it means you'll get the opportunity to travel. Okay, now if the snake is in the day branch, then obviously your family is the one who will get to travel. Okay, whether it's for business or for pleasure, it's a different story, but do travel. Take your family out. Okay, go out, have fun, have a vacation. Of course, they are also the noble people in your life, so they can give you the correct advice at the correct time, or maybe you will offer them your advice at the right time. Okay, and that will help them overcome many problems. Now remember, they are also going through issues regarding the flying chase, which is like people judging them, okay, or they want to spend time alone, or you could be the one wanting to spend time alone. Okay, now there could be problems at home. Earth funeral indicates that there could be domestic arguments. So that you don't have any arguments, make an effort to step out. Okay, get rid of that solitary feeling. All right, make an effort, or maybe even make a timetable. All right, every week I give 3 hours to my family. Go for a movie, go to a restaurant, go to the park, whatever you like doing together as a family. Just make an effort this year, yeah, conscious effort. Okay, now snake in the hour pillar indicates your ideas, your thoughts, your investments, your children and your juniors. Okay, so either your children and your juniors could help you out when you are stuck in some problem, or you will be helping them out whenever they are stuck in their problem. Okay, it goes both ways. Nobleman goes both ways. Do remember that. Okay, in the investment pillar, it also indicates that you will get good advice for your investments. Now, if you want to go actively looking for the nobleman and you want to make an investment this year because all the good stars are there, then go look for a financial advisor, yeah? A financial advisor who can advise you on the right investments. Okay, nobleman, remember, this is also the nobleman. Nobleman is also an advisor. Okay, so look for the advisor who can give you the correct advice as to where should you put in your hard-earned money. All right. Now, besides that, you also have your ideas palace over there. Okay, so you could be getting ideas which are far out. Okay, far out in the sense like they are not what others have already done. Your horse, remember, fast thinking. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Implement them, yeah. Just implement them and see what happens. Okay, now before we end, don't go yet, I have something for you. Okay, before we end, just pause the video and like it if you liked watching this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and click on the notification bell icon because we will get notified every time we release a new video. Of course, if you have any comments, do leave them below, and if you have questions, then definitely leave the questions below. Okay, now let's continue. I have something for you over here. We are giving out a free ebook, Align 2023 ebook, which is for your feng shui and astrology in 2023. Okay, you can get it from www.geo-principles.com/2023 guide. Okay, thank you for watching. Wishing you and your family a happy and prosperous 2023.